Welcome guys, today I am with the JBL Xtreme speaker and I'm going to show you how you can pair this speaker with your Android phone. So at the first you have to click on this power button once. Okay, and right now this icon is not turning to the blue blinking, so it means that we have to make it automatically. We have to tap on this Bluetooth button once. There it is. Right now the speaker is in the pairing mode, so we can go for the Bluetooth settings on our phone. Take a look on available devices, select JBL Xtreme, click pair, and as you can see right now the device is connected with the speaker. So that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.